Giving you girls naturalness today, girl. Natural realness. Yes. What half wig, sis? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have a new wig to share with you, and this is the company right here, girl. Beauty Forever, girl, where their tagline is beauty forever for your forever beauty. Catch that. But they're an Amazon company. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this unit. This one was somewhat unique. I don't have anything like this, but I have plenty similar to this, if that makes sense. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, this is the box. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Now I did enjoy ordering this via my Amazon Prime membership, okay? So you know you get your wigs quick, fast, and in a hurry with Amazon Prime. So this is the wig here. We're gonna set it to the side. Let's check out what we got inside, because I love it when they include some cute goodies or whatnot inside. Now, you do get your headbands here. This is like a red floral, and then we have a dark blue one with flamingos on it, 2 headbands, and a pack of stocking caps. Alright, now let's go ahead and look at this unit. Now this is where I say that I have something similar to this, but not quite this style or type of wig, I should say. Though it is a headband wig, as you see. But you can do a whole lot more with this should you want to. And I'm going to show you that right now as I take off the package, take out the stuffing, and bam, here she is. Now, I know that you're looking at this like, girl, that ain't nothing but a regular half wig. Exactly. This is like a half wig, human hair, kinky, straight. So it has the comb here at the top, comb in the back, and it does have an adjustable strap inside. Now, I know y'all know all about the original half wig. Now, this is that unit in a human, kinky texture. Now, she is really, really big, though. She's super thick. Super thick. So let's go ahead and put it on, and that's because too she is layered. It has a lot of soft layers in it, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is running the flat iron through it to see how it looks a little flatter and a little straighter. I think it'll be a little more attractive, but nonetheless the hair is so soft and so beautiful. Loving it. Let's go ahead and put it on, and you're going to wear this as you would a regular half wig. Now if you wanted to have a little leave out in the front and put this behind it, you know how we used to do back in the day with those half wigs, girl. I used to wear one. I forget who made that wig. My sister probably knows, but I remember the style name. It was called Fuzzy Navel. I loved that half wig, girl. It was the best, and it was curly. So let's go ahead and put it on. And I love a half wig that comes with those little combs in it. I know my little wig ain't finna slip and slide. It ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Hey. Like I said, she's cute. Now, you know what would be really, really pretty with this unit? Some like cold wave rod curls will be so beautiful in this if it just has some pretty curls. Girl, the hair just looks super natural, so pretty. Now, don't mind me. I know my stocking cap is still exposed. Well, give me a minute. Let me take my sweater off. Whew. But you can kind of position it wherever you want. I'm just going to tuck it back under there just a little bit. But mind you, though, I would wear a black stocking cap with it if you're just going to be using this as a regular headband wig. And go ahead and put your headband on it. But look at it, it looks like natural hair. It almost looks like I just washed my hair and I'm just getting ready for styling. That's what it looks like. But it's nice. Let me give you a close-up of the hair. So this one is very natural, girl friendly. If you don't have chemical on your hair, you just wear it on natural. but yet you want a straight like look. This will be pretty, and it mimics your hair texture. It looks like your real hair. This looks so pretty though. It's really pretty. But I am gonna run the flat iron through it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it warmed up. We'll see how it looks, just a little flatter. But let's go ahead and put a headband on it. But see how it looks here. So you definitely want to cover that up or leave some hair out to cover it up, make it look a little more realistic. But not that this doesn't look realistic once you put your headband on it. But let's go ahead and do that too. Let's go ahead and put a head. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? It don't matter. We'll just go with the red one. But these headband wigs are so convenient. I actually like them. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about them at first, but they're so easy, quick, fast, and super easy. Yeah, I'm gonna warm up the flat iron, and I just recently got a bomb new flat iron too, y'all. Alright, so you just want to camouflage that, okay? Where your half wig meets your hair. There it is, covered up. What wig, sis? What wig? She's so cute. Let me show you the back before we start our heat styling. Let's look at it. She's cute. She's cute. So this is one of those units you can do so much with. So pretty. Looks so real. Looks so real. I can't get over how real it looks. But as you see, it is layered. But yeah, she's nice. So be sure to check out the link down below in the description box to get yourself hooked up with this baby. Should you be interested in this natural looking hair, okay? Very affordable. And it's nice. Like, it's cool or whatever. I like it. I think it's cute. But yeah, this is my Duval flat iron right here. I'm going to go ahead and get this baby warmed up. Now this is one of the best flat irons. If you're on the market for a flat iron, this is the brand that you want to go with. It is so nice. I'm going to show it to you before I get it warmed up again, okay? Woo. I've been trying to keep my stuff all nice and neat and keep it in the box. But yes, look at it. So nice. And I love the ceramic blades inside. But I'm going to go ahead and get it warmed up, and we're going to do a few passes through the hair with this and see how it looks. So I have my flat iron powered on, and I set it to 450 degrees. We're going to use it at the maximum temp. I don't want it to get bone straight, but I'm pretty sure this won't get bone straight. It's still going to have some texture to it, but having this on the highest setting isn't going to disturb the pattern as much, but just give it a more tamed look. Okay, so this is just about ready. It doesn't take long at all for this baby to heat up, girl. Just like a few minutes or so, she is ready to shake and bake, girl. And there it is. It is turning red on the inside. That lets you know, girl, she is ready to do its thing. Y'all ready? Let's go. So I'm going to start with smaller sections and just run it through this girl. The kink on this is some serious, but as you see how it just flattened it out a bit, still has its texture to it. It's still going to look like kinky straight hair. See how flatter this is as opposed to this side. That's all we want. Just a few light passes through it. And as you see, it takes heat well. This is indeed human hair. Alright, I like that. I like it. I like it. She is nice. Yes. See, now as you see, it looks a little more tame. So now I'm just gonna go underneath now, because I still like the puff. I like the natural look to it. I don't really want to take that totally away from it. So just a few light passes under the bottom, on the top, and in the middle will give you a flatter look. I like it. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this side, make it even. Make it even. I'm gonna keep this one on for the rest of the day too, I guess. Look at that, it takes heat so well. Yes, and it still has its texture, as you see. Girl, this is the one. Push Through Beauty Forever, girl. From Amazon. So be sure to check them out. The link and all the information will be down below in the description box. So don't skip over it, girl. Don't skip over it. I have this flat iron linked below too, so you definitely want to check out the both of these. This flat iron is bomb.com. I absolutely love it, girl. And you see how fast it heats up. Lightning speed. So good. So hot. It just does a great job. I love it. I love it. I love it. Bam. She's cute. But yeah, let me know what you think of today's half wig. But stay tuned though. I'm going to do some more styles with it because I really want to see this one set on some cold wave rods or some flexi rollers, girl. She will be bomb.com. So stay tuned for that. That video is definitely coming. So make sure you're subscribed, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there will definitely be another video. Bye. This wig is so cute.